Hello, myself Shubhangi Lohmi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm from Yashwant Rao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Today, my topic is unlawful assembly. An assembly may turn unruly and which may cause injury to person, property, or public order. Such an unruly assembly is termed as unlawful assembly in Moti Das versus State of Bihar. It was held that an assembly which was lawful to start with became unlawful the moment one of the members called on the others to assault the victim and his associates, and in response to his invitation, all the members of the assembly started to chase the victim while he was running. The term unlawful assembly has been defined under Section 141 of IPC 1860 as an assembly of five or more persons having a common object to perform an omission or offense. Essentials to constitute an assembly, unlawful assembly. To constitute an unlawful assembly, the following three conditions must coexist. First, there must be an assembly of five persons. Second, the assembly must have a common object. And third, the common object must be to commit one of the five illegal objects specified in the section. There must be an assembly of five persons. Supreme Court of India has upheld invariably in a number of cases such as Dharampal Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh that where only five named persons have been charged for constituting an unlawful assembly and one or more of them are acquitted, the remaining accused cannot be convicted as members of unlawful assembly unless it is proved that the unlawful assembly besides convicted persons consisted of some of other persons as well who were not identified and so could not be named. The assembly must have a common object. The law does not declare a mere assemblage of men, however large it is, as illegal unless it is inspired by an illegal common object. In the case of Sheikh Yusuf versus Emperor, the court said that the word object means the purpose or design to do thing aimed at, and that the object must be common to the persons who comprise the assembly. Common object is where all or minimum five member of assembly possess and share one object. Third, the common object must be to commit one of the five illegal objects specified in the section. As stated earlier, an assembly of five or more persons is designated as an unlawful assembly if the common object of persons composing that assembly is any of the following five objects declared illegal under Section 141 of IPC. To overthrow government by criminal force, to resist the execution of law or legal process, to commit an offence, forcible possession or disposition of any property, or to compel any person to do illegal acts. Punishment for unlawful assembly. Under Section 143 of IPC, whoever is a member of an unlawful assembly shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine or both. Under Section 144 of IPC, whoever joins unlawful assembly armed with a deadly weapon which is likely to cause death shall be punished with imprisonment for 2 years or fine or both. Under Section 145 of IPC, whoever joins or continue to be in unlawful assembly knowing it has been commanded